Hey guys, this is my update of my beta tank, my fries, and today I just learned how. Yesterday I just learned that there's a place that sells baby brine shrimps, those eggs, and I'm just testing it out today, and it was like, see, I don't know how many hours, but I threw some baby brown shrimp in here, and they're eating it. For a very long time, I have not given them food because me and my stepbrother we went and got some seaweed from the lake, and some of those seaweeds had some bacteria like little tiny bugs membrane or so, and they short to eat and survive over those, and they're doing fine. For the past couple weeks, I was trying to find them better food, like the first bite package right here. I was trying to feed them this for the past week, and they didn't much want to eat it. And then I decided to try this out, and oh wow, that one had color on it. That one. Yep, you can see the color. That's the first time. And anyways, I'll try find those little tiny bloodworms, and oh wow, that's the second one. Oh. I finally find the little pack for the little bloodworms, and they sure like to eat it. And now, since they're getting bigger, there should be less vertebrae in this little pond. So what I have to do is I have to feed them other stuff. And as you can see here, these are the snail from the lake. What my beta they do is they eat the soft part of the snail and then spit out the shell. And so far, look at them go. Yes, this is the first time I've seen them eat it this much. As you can see closely, you can see them move. Those are the brine shrimp. What I did is I hold this with my one hand, and I used a turkey baster. I use this to grab it on the bottom, and then put it in there, and then grab fresh water from here or here, doesn't matter. But mostly I think I'm gonna do this because I need to do water change anyways. So I was spraying on it just to get the salt and stuff off of it, and then I decided to put the baker burst. I put that away, and then what I do is let me see, where is it? Darn it, where is it? Well, I did have my little tube or so. I was trying giving them that, but every time I drop a little drop in there, and they just swim away. So I'm just like, screw it, you know what? I'm gonna just dump the whole thing. So I grab this, I just dump it in. I'm gonna wait for like maybe a couple hours later, and then I'm gonna catch them and put them in the 2-gallon. Because my male and my female, I think they're ready again to breed. Man, this is so cool seeing this in person. Usually I see this on YouTube, how to feed their fries. Well, thank you for watching.